These are called two-step equations because it will take 2 steps to isolate for the variable. To get x by itself in A, we're going to have to get rid of the multiplied by 3 in front of it, as well as the plus 4. My recommendation is to get rid of the term that's added or subtracted first, as this will make the math quite a bit easier. So to get rid of that plus 4 from the left side, we're going to have to subtract 4. And just like the other questions, whatever we do to the left side, we also have to do to the right side. So what we're left with on the left side is the 3x. 4 take away 4 becomes 0, and that equals -8 take away 4 is -12. And finally, we have x times 3. To get rid of that 3, we want to divide both sides by 3. So 3 divided by 3 becomes 1. And all we're left with is x equals to -4. For B, we're going to start by getting rid of this take away 7 from the left side. So add 7 to both sides. On the left side, -7 plus 7 becomes 0. So we have 2y equals 15 plus 7 is 22. Divide both sides by 2. And 2 divided by 2 becomes 1. Y is equal to 22 divided by 2 is 11. For C, 9 is being subtracted from 5y. So to remove it from that side, we're going to add 9. Add 9 to both sides. 16 plus 9 is 25. Over on the right side, -9 plus 9 becomes 0. So all we have left is 5y, and divide both sides by 5 to get y by itself. 25 divided by 5 is 5 equals 2. We get rid of the 5 divided by 5 and we're left with y is equal to 5. For D, we'll start by getting rid of this -8 from the right side. So to get rid of that -8, we're going to add 8 to both sides. 19 plus 8 is 27 equals -8 plus 8, that becomes 0, and we're left with -3m. To get m completely by itself, we'll divide by that -3 in front of it. 27 divided by -3 is -9 equals m. You'll notice that E is a little bit different because we actually have 2 terms with x's in them. So before we can actually start isolating for x, we actually want to put those terms together. So one way to put those terms together is actually to move the 4x to the left side with the 5x. So in order to do that, we're actually going to take away 4x from the left side. Whatever we do to one side, we also have to do to the other side. And what ends up happening with this is 5x take away 4x is 1x equals, because we took away 4x, that 4x take away 4x becomes 0. And that whole thing is removed from the right side. And all we're left with is 7. And there you'll just see we have x equals 7. For F, we have 2 terms with the unknown variable of c within them. Before we start isolating for c, we'll want to move the terms together. So I'm going to be moving the -7c over to the left side. I recommend when deciding which term to move where to work towards having your terms with variables on one side, so moving this -c to the left side with the -6c, and then being left with the constant, the +1 on the other side. If you work towards doing that, that will cut down on a little bit of work. So to move that -c to the other side, we're going to have to add 7c. Add it to the other side as well. So -6c plus 7c is 1c. -7c plus 7c becomes 0. And all we're left with on the right side is 1. So here we have 1c is equal to 1, which is actually the same as c is equal to 1.